Hello everyone, I am Rusha, Mukherjee, a student of Student Law College and presently interning with LEXIS and Company. Today I am going to talk about life insurance. Life insurance has no statutory definition, but the Supreme Court has given a certain definition for it. It has defined it as a contract of insurance whereby the insured agrees to pay a certain sum of money called the premium at specified times and in consideration thereof, and the insurer agrees to pay certain sums of money and in certain conditions and in a specified way upon happening of a particular event contingent upon the duration of human life. Human life is unpredictable, and to making it certain is the work of a life insurance. In Dalby versus India and London Life Assurance, the definition of life insurance has been explained well as a contract to pay a certain amount of money on the death of a person in consideration of the due payment of a certain annuity for his life calculated according to the probable duration of his life. We can see that various courts have interpreted the life insurance in various manners. If we talk about the nature and scope of life insurance, we know that it is impossible that we will predict or foretell any serious hazard such as disability and premature death. But it is the function of the insurance in its various forms, like when you have the fire insurance, life insurance, marine insurance, to enable individuals to safeguard themselves against any type of misfortune by spreading the loss of persons who agreed to cooperate with each other at the time of loss by making contributions to the common fund. Now, we have to understand that though it is not at all a type of what to say, not at all a type of indemnity, because we cannot indemnify for any person's life, and in a family each and every life has an economic value. If that person goes away, we have to take it by the way of insurance. Although the basic nature of the life insurance is to provide risk coverage, whereby the contract period extends over a long time, the premium has twofold purposes. One is the immediate or the short term, and another is the long term coverage. The immediate purpose is served by paying a definite amount of money at other damage to the death after the death, because we know that if a person dies, only his beneficiary will get it. The immediate purpose is served when he gets the money, but the long purpose is got when there is an economic growth in the country, and that economic growth is accelerated. The savings of the funds of numerous policyholders are invested in organized commerce and industry. In developing countries like India, it is common and popular practice to bundle risk coverage and savings in the form of insurance. Now, the first question that comes to our mind is whether gambling is equal to life insurance. But actually, life is the most unpredictable thing of all. And by giving a life insurance, we're actually providing a certainty to that. Now, in the same way, uncertainty of always losing on the property of the owners and the industrialists. So we can see that the insurance is opposite of gambling. In the gambling, a person exposes himself to the risk of losing, whereas the insured is always opposed to risk. Now we can say that charity is given without consideration, whereas in life insurance, it is in the form of a consideration called the premium. Life insurance is a kind of business as in consideration of premium, it guarantees the payment of financial loss. That's it for today. See you in the next video. Tata and bye bye.